Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to retrofit, we'll call it, your BMW E39 wiper blades. As you know, they have this stupid setup on all the E39s that they do not take a standard wiper blade. They have a different hookup completely. They have a little latch that slides over to unlock it, and you pick the whole piece up out of there. Now, if you go buy a set of wiper blades like this that have the metal made onto them, that's like 50, at best 50 bucks, even on eBay. And they're hard to find. And I'm going to show you today how to fix this for about $8. Okay, so the first step, even before you pull the wipers off your car, make sure that you have the new ones. Goes without saying. So you're going to need a 22 and a 26. So these particular ones are from Walmart. I'll put a link in the description if I can find something on Amazon comparable. These are Michelin. They're good quality wiper blades. I think they're around, hell, I don't remember, $5 a piece, $6 a piece, something like that. And it might even be $4 or something, I don't know. They're not that expensive. Now, before you just buy any old blades, what you're going to want to do, we'll do the 22 first. You're going to want to open this up and make sure it's the right kind of blade. And you can see through the package. But for the video's sake, we'll take it out of the package. And we're going to want the same type of blade. A blade that's held in by these little crimp-on deals. And it's going to have two little pieces of metal in it. Basically, a removable blade. You cannot get the squeegee blade. See, they look very identical. You cannot get the squeegee blade. This will not work. You can see this is a standard blade. You can see how it hooks up. This is the E39 blade. It's completely different. And it does not interchange. So, what we're going to do, start off with, we're going to get a screwdriver. Be very careful. You can easily stab your little fingers, stab your hand doing this. We're basically going to get in here and we're going to pry out just a little bit under each one of these little clamps. Not much, just a little bit. We're going to go on down the line here. And what we're going to do is just loosen up this just enough to where we can slip this blade out. All I'm doing is sticking that blade in there and just turning it just a little bit. Once that's done, you should be able to grab a hold of the whole mess. You might have to work this one out here a little bit. It's slightly different. Hopefully it works. You can see the blade just peeling off of it. Let me grab a little bit of this action going. Get a pair of pliers and we're going to pull out the whole piece. Usually once you start it, you can pull it all right out. There's the whole piece. So we got the two metal bars. We got everything in there. Now these metal bars are a little thicker than other ones, so we'll put that off to the side just like that. Pop our little fingers off. On the new one, you got to be a little more careful because you are prying apart a brand new blade. We're going to have to pry the ends out just a little bit more. There we go. Once you get one end out, it comes right out, just like so. Now, our little metal pieces stayed in there. You're going to keep those in there. Make sure it's all flush. And we're just going to take the old housing. You could even repaint this if you wanted. We're going to go ahead and push it right back in there. center it up. So our ends are about even. Alright, it's nice and straight. We're going to take our pliers and we're just going to come back in here starting from, and we'll go and squidge one right in the middle. And you're not going to crimp it very tight. You just want to snug it up, right? That's going to hold that in there nice and proper. Come back and do the very end. And there we go. It's completely replaced. That's all the crimps have to be up above the metal strip, and that holds it tight. Everything just snugged up really good. You can see it from this direction. Don't smash them down real hard. This one here we skipped for whatever reason. If you smash them down too hard, it's going to distort the blade and cause it not to clean off well. You could do though. It'll pull this part up just like so. You can see here. And it runs the blade. So that's trash. The brand new arm there is trash. We just have to do the driver's side one and we're all done. All right, here we go. We're all done, ready to put them back in. Now, of course, as you know, when you put them back in, all you gotta do is put them up there, the right side to the right side, slide the lever over, and they're locked in. Always double check they are locked correctly. The last thing you want to do is be driving down the highway and the whole damn thing fly off. That is gonna be it though, guys. That's it for the E39 wiper blade. We'll call it retrofit. If you have an E39, chances are it's worth about $1,500, $2,000. Maybe you don't want to spend 50 or 60 bucks on some wiper blades. Okay, so spend 8 or 10. There you go. Have a good day, guys. We'll see you later.